Let's talk about toilet bowls. That's right. So we want to talk about the different rings that you get on the bottom of it. There is pinkish ones, there's black, and sometimes there's brownish ones. What do these things mean? How can you clean them, and how can you prevent them from coming back? So let's talk about the most common one, and that is a pinkish color. Now, this is something that a lot of customers have asked me when I first started my cleaning company, and back then I simply didn't know. But really what it comes down to, it is bacteria buildup. So if you're using a green cleaning solution that is not cutting it, you will notice that halfway through the week after cleaning, or a full week, that pink stuff will come back. That means you need stronger chemicals to really kill that bacteria buildup in there. And for something like that, a strong toilet bowl cleaner that has bleach in it is a great way, or something else that really kills the bacteria. But don't be too gentle on that toilet bowl, because you want to make sure to eliminate all that bacteria. So if there is a black color at the bottom inside the toilet bowl, most likely you're dealing with mold. Now, I've made videos about mold before, and some folks got super furious because I recommended against bleach. Now, yes, there is toilet bowl cleaner out there with bleach in it that works great for mold. But here's the thing, I'm gonna recommend this product yet again, and no, I don't get paid for it. But Mold Control is a great product because it eliminates more of the mold than bleach will. Bleach will work on certain types of mold, but not all of it. And again, this product works in eliminating it at the spores of it, so making sure it doesn't go anywhere else. It really kills the root cause of it. So this is a product I highly recommend. Again, if your toilet bowl has a black ring on the bottom that is just kind of stagnant, you might want to get it checked out because it could be mold. Another one is a brown or orange looking, really nasty looking buildup on the bottom of the toilet bowl inside. That is usually because of lime, calcium, any sort of water deposit buildup like that, and it can be tough to clean. So you can use a pumice stone if you really need to do a deep cleaning, but the other thing you can use is chemicals that are specifically designed to eliminate hard water buildup. There's a lot of products out there like CLR, but make sure you choose a good product to help you with the scrubbing. So now you're probably thinking, you don't want to have to do a deep cleaning of your toilet bowl all the time, so how can you prevent it? Well, there's a few things that you need to do. For starters, the toilet needs to be used. If you have a toilet with stagnant water and it's not getting used or flushed frequently, that stuff will just settle on the bottom, and there's going to be buildup, especially the calcium buildup. And the other thing is you need to have proper ventilation for the mold especially. Again, if there's poor ventilation, a lot of humidity, mold loves that sort of environment. So make sure there's proper air movement. As far as the bacteria goes, make sure to use proper chemicals that eliminate the bacteria to begin with, and have a regular schedule for the toilet bowl cleaning. If you let it go too far, you run into issues and it's just unsightly. So that's what you can do to help prevent. Another really solid way to help you prevent having the deep clean, rust stains in your toilet and fighting all that calcium buildup, it's changing your water. So if you're on well water, you're gonna have a lot of problems. And a lot of folks swear by changing over to a water softener system, and that really does seem to help when it comes to all that buildup. So that is something to consider. Of course, it's not the cheapest option, but if you're constantly struggling with that buildup and you have multiple toilets in your home, might be worth looking at. And just for the fun of it, since we are on the topic of toilet bowls, what is your favorite toilet bowl brush? Let us know in the comments. I personally absolutely despise using silicone toilet bowl brushes. They just don't work that well. But let us know.